Today I'm preparing a fresh and vibrant zucchini dish, perfect as a wholesome and healthy main course, ready in just 10 to 15 minutes. Hello everyone, I'm Farhad, and be sure to stick around to see how this simple vegetable can turn into a delicious, healthy meal in no time. I'm using two medium-sized zucchini here, and then I slice them quarter inch thick or so. Before grilling the zucchinis, we want to make sure they are completely dry. I'm using paper towels and patting them to get the moisture out. If you don't have access to an outdoor grill, you can simply use a grill pan on your stove, just like you see here, or simply saute them in some oil. Both ways work. And that's what I'm using here. I'm using my grill pan. Now I do have outdoor indoor grill, but for such a small batch, this is the best way to do it. So I'm going to turn it on. I have already sprayed this with a little bit of olive oil. You don't want to saturate them. And then some salt and pepper on them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and now we want to cook these about 70-80%. We don't want to cook them all the way. And then about 2-3 minutes on each side. So it's been a couple of minutes. I'm gonna turn them over. There we go. We see some grill marks there, here, there. There we go. Beautiful. I want to say they're probably about 30% cooked, so we keep the flame on high. I have some cherry tomatoes here, whole cherry tomatoes. Now I sprayed these lightly with olive oil as well. So once these are done, we pour them out. I'm gonna saute these quick, just maybe a minute or so. Just want to give them some marks, and then we're gonna add it to the zucchinis. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, they're good. Okay, we're getting very close here. Probably another minute. So we want to keep it at 70-80%. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shut it off and just leave them on the pan. Yes, perfect, just perfect. All right. You can just tell by just touching them that how far they have cooked. So right now I think they're about 60%. So I'm just going to pull them out and leave them on a sheet tray. Okay, now it's time for the cherry tomatoes. This is all I do. We just want to mark them a little bit and give them some heat. Pretty much it. You only want to cook them like maybe 20% or so. You still want everything to be crunchy, the zucchinis and tomatoes. Okay, we're good here, so I shut it off and then transfer them back to the bowl. There we go. Zucchini is low in calories and rich in vitamin C and A, promoting immune health, skin, and vision. It's high in antioxidants, aids digestion, supports heart health, and helps with hydration due to its fiber and water content. Before we finish assembling the dish and see the final result, I would like to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with family and friends. And feel free to leave me any comments, question, or suggestion. Okay, now let's get back to our dish. Okay, we're almost done here. As you can see, I plated the zucchini with tomatoes. We only got a few more ingredients for the toppings. One would be some feta cheese, and then I got some basil, fresh basil, fresh chopped basil, and then you can use pine nuts. However, what I like to do is I like to use roasted chickpeas. So I just put some on top. Roasting these is not that hard. Toss them in some olive oil and some paprika. Then place them in a sheet tray. Put them in the oven for 15 minutes on 400 degrees. And then pour them out, let them cool, and they're ready, nice and crunchy. And something else I use these for is I use them on salads instead of croutons because they're nice and crunchy. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, for the dressing, you can use any pre-made dressing. I would suggest like a balsamic vinegar or a Greek or honey, lemon. There's a lot of out there. Or simply some balsamic vinaigrette glaze. I prefer that. Or just simply make a lemon olive oil with some salt and pepper and some chopped garlic. Pretty much it. I mean, you really don't have to, do that much. So there we go. We're pretty much done. And looking beautiful, looking delicious. Now you can add some more protein to it, like chicken, shrimp, fish, anything you want, and make it even better. Or just keep it as it is. If you want to make a dressing at home, here's a quick one, very easy, simple. It's called lemon garlic vinaigrette. All you need is 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, quarter cup olive oil, half a lemon juiced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of honey, and salt and pepper to taste. I'd go ahead and adjust the taste the way you like. And also for a creamier texture, you can add a spoonful of Greek yogurt to it. So that will make it even better. So that's a very quick recipe for a homemade dressing. Well, thank you again, and I look forward to seeing you back here in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.